Hello, welcome to Double O Kidney. Are you ready to get your kidney health back? Add some healthy plant foods to your diet, learn how to use the right home remedies, and follow the other advices of today's video to take good care of your kidneys. Yes, today I'll show you 8 very easy and effective tips to lower your creatinine levels fast, because your kidneys work hard for you day in and day out. To take good care of them, you'll want to focus on the 8 things that really matter. My name is Katherine and I've been working with kidney disease patients for 7 years now. I've seen patients getting back their kidney function with an improved diet and lifestyle. And in today's video, I'll show you exactly how to do that. So, welcome to our journey together to a better kidney health. Subscribe to Double O Kidney if this is your first time here. Now, let's start immediately with our first tip. Tip number 1, never stop fighting for your health. Now, if there is one thing that I've learned from kidney disease patients is that they are among the most resilient and strong people in the world. Because chronic kidney disease may make your life harder, alright? But isn't true what they say that hard times make people stronger? And if you are here, if you are fighting for your health, you have already proven to be strong and brave. Now, I want to read you a comment I received. It's from a user called Louisa. Hello, Louisa. She says, as many of you, when I was diagnosed with CKD, I was scared. I asked my doctor how much this was going to limit my lifespan. He smiled and replied, put it this way, I have patients in their 80s who still have useful kidney function. I did not expect that. I could not have imagined that he had just given me the best medicine possible. Hope. He planted a seed. He also gave me the belief that anything is possible. So I started to do researches online. I improved my renal diet and I started to work with my doctor and dietitian to improve my treatment. And now I'm not just more confident that I will live a long life. I've also seen the first improvement in my blood tests in years. Although my body has CKD, I am still me. I choose to be the best version of me. I make the time to be conscious of my health and well-being. Thank you for this comment. Your success story is really inspiring. Thank you. Because finding hope in a world where hope is so hard to find is one of the greatest things one can do in their life. So guys, never let the fear stop you from fighting for a better health. And this is one of my best advices to improve your kidney health. But there is going to be more. So if you know anyone who may want to improve their kidney health, send them this video now. This may help them too. Next tip. Tip number 2. Some foods can help repair your kidneys. There are some superfoods so rich in fiber, vitamins, phytochemicals, and nutrients that they can even help people in stage 4 or 5 of kidney disease. Actually, eating these foods can help basically everyone. So when people ask me, Katherine, what fruit is good for the kidneys, or what foods help repair kidney damage? I always tell them to eat more. Fruits such as apples, red grapes, and pears, berries such as blueberries and cranberries, cruciferous vegetables such as cauliflower, kale, cabbage, whole grains such as bulgur and buckwheat. So start adding more of these plant foods to your diet if you want to see some improvements. All these foods are low in phosphorus, potassium, and sodium and are safe even for patients in stage 4 of CKD. Now, if you are diagnosed with kidney disease, you should follow a renal diet made specifically for you, okay? And for sure, you can make some helpful improvements to your diet with the info you find here in my videos. But remember that the renal diet is a tricky topic and you should discuss with your doctor any significant change you may make. Now, if you want to know more about what foods are the best for the various stages of CKD, This playlist up here is for you. But don't go away yet. There are some more very useful tips to improve your kidney health, especially because some of the foods you may think are healthy are actually dangerous. Okay, how to understand what foods are healthy and what foods are dangerous? Kidney health tip number 3. Avoid hidden salt and toxins. Avoiding salt is one of the best things you can do. It won't just help you lowering your blood pressure, it will greatly reduce the burden on your kidneys, not to mention the risk for cardiovascular disease, stroke, and coronary heart attack. Now, people with kidney disease or other diseases like diabetes or hypertension should limit their sodium intake to no more than 1500 milligrams per day. And this is a very small quantity of sodium. It's the equivalent of 1 teaspoon of salt. So you will have to be very careful with what you eat, alright? Now, people with kidney disease are often recommended to avoid table salt. But in many cases, that's just not enough because of hidden salt. And not everyone knows how to avoid hidden salt. You know, a major part of the sodium in Western diets, almost 80%, comes from processed and packaged foods. Some unlikely sodium-rich foods may even taste sweet, making it harder for people to notice how much sodium these foods pack. These foods can be high in sodium even if they don't taste salty, okay? Processed foods that may be dangerous include snack foods, cheese, condiments, sauces and dressings, packaged breads, cereals, canned or picked foods, deli meat, and more, as you can see. So, while avoiding packaged foods may be a good strategy, if you can't do that, always check the labels of what you're buying. Checking labels is the only way to know how much sodium there is in your food. If you buy packaged or processed foods, choose foods that are labeled sodium-free or very low sodium. Tip number 4. Be water wise. Keep your kidneys healthy by drinking water the wise way. A lot of people don't drink enough water, and this can cause problems with the kidneys. Others drink too much water, and this too, as incredible as it may seem, can cause troubles with the kidneys. Okay, what to do then? Be wise about water. Drink before you feel the thirst. Yes, staying hydrated is really good for your kidneys, okay? And also for your health, especially during the hottest months of the year. But how much should you drink? Follow the 8x8 rule. It's very easy to remember. Drink 8 8-ounce glasses per day. That's about 2 liters or half gallon. Okay, this only applies if you don't have a water restriction, obviously. Also notice the color of your urine. If it's transparent, you're drinking too much water. If it's pale yellow, it's fine. If it's dark yellow, you might need more water. Other colors may indicate a problem. Orange, you're dehydrated. Red or pink may be blood in the urine. Very dangerous. And foamy urine is a sign of kidney disease. So now you are already eating clean and keeping hydrated for your kidneys. But there may still be something missing to get the results you want. Here's what can help you. Tip number 5. Some home remedies are proven to improve kidney health. There are some home remedies that have shown incredible results even in stage 4 and 5 of kidney disease, like baking soda. Okay, considered almost a miracle by kidney disease patients all around the world, baking soda or sodium bicarbonate is as inexpensive as powerful in fighting kidney disease. And also, probiotics. Probiotics are the healthy bacteria present in your gut. They are really useful because almost every single kidney disease patient will have digestive problems at some point. Antibiotics, medications, stress, and, well, kidney disease can mess up your gut flora. Taking probiotics can help you having a healthier gut, and this will greatly help in your battle to lower your creatinine levels. And yes, getting probiotics from foods, supplements, and home remedies is a great way to do this. But don't forget omega-3s. Omega-3s can really do wonders if you want to lower your creatinine levels, no matter what stage you're in, and that's a fact. Actually, this is one of the few home remedies that can even help kidney patients in stage 5, because if you suffer from itchy skin as a complication of CKD, omega-3s can alleviate it. Omega-3 fatty acids can even help people suffering from polycystic kidney disease. So if you're not getting enough omega-3s already, either from foods or supplements, this could be a great moment to start. Yes, these are really going to help you lower your creatinine levels and give you back some of the health you deserve. But consider that just swallowing a couple of pills a day won't get you very far. So if you want to know more about these incredibly powerful home remedies, watch this video up here. But the next tip is maybe even more important. Keep your blood sugar levels under control. If you have diabetes or high blood sugar levels, don't let them go untreated. That's the very first cause of kidney damage. When your body's cells can't use the glucose or sugar in your blood, your kidneys are forced to work extra hard to filter your blood. Over years of exertion, this can lead to life-threatening damage. However, if you can control your blood sugar, you reduce the risk of damage. So take action immediately if you have diabetes or pre-diabetes, alright? Some dietary changes and lifestyle improvements can really go a long way in fighting diabetes, especially if the pathology is diagnosed early. Tip number 7, monitor your blood pressure. High blood pressure is the second leading cause of kidney damage. So, like for diabetes, its impact on your body can be significant. Learn how to keep it under control. A healthy blood pressure reading is 120/80. Elevated blood pressure is between that point and 129/80. Lifestyle and dietary changes may help lower your blood pressure at this point. If your blood pressure readings are consistently above 140/90, you may have hypertension. You should talk with your doctor about monitoring your blood pressure regularly, making changes to your lifestyle, and possibly taking medications. Tip number 8. This is maybe the most important thing you can do to improve your kidney health. Now, if you are here watching me right now, it means that you already care about your health. Good for you. This is really something you should be proud of, because it's a lot harder than it seems to fight a health problem as severe as kidney disease. So keep getting informed, keep watching me here on Double O Kidney, and keep improving your kidney health. And also, now I have a free ebook you can download. I've just uploaded it to my website, newhopeforkidneypatients.com. You can find a link down in the description. It's a free ebook you can download on your phone. There are a lot of tips and advice for you inside. It's made especially for new patients and people that have been recently diagnosed with CKD. Take a look at it if you're interested. Okay, this was our last tip for today. A new video is coming next Tuesday, so don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell to get notified. See you there. Thank you for watching.